victory.
Yeah, it is victory or success, or how they could complete that task. एंड सर्जरी जैसे नाम सुन के आपको लगेगा कि इट इज किसी का ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं, है ना? तो दिस इज होल स्टोरी इज अबाउट अ स्मॉल डॉग, इसका नाम है ट्रिकी, और वो बहुत ज्यादा पैम्पर्ड रहता है, मतलब उसका बहुत ख्याल रखा जाता है। ये किसका डॉग होता है? एक बहुत ही रिच मिस्ट्रेस है, देयर इज अ वेरी रिच मिस्ट्रेस एंड शी इज हैविंग दिस स्मॉल डॉग, हिज नेम इज ट्रिकी। And one day, because of over feeding, means you are feeding the dog more than required, he falls ill, and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. So, does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? About that, the whole story is. This is a very interesting story as well as a funny story. Funny because we feel that whatever has been done by Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey is the name of that lady who takes care of the dog, who's the owner, who is the mistress. And the dog is of this Mrs. Pumphrey. So we feel funny because of her behavior towards the dog. It's not, I mean, at least the majority of the population would not be caring so much for the dog as much as she cares for the dog and she loves the dog so much. She is really, really worried about the dog. She likes the dog a lot and takes care like a small child. And the whole staff is also, uh, after the dog, taking care of the dog. Are you getting it? आप लोग सुन रहे हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was really worried about Ricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage. Now, what is this like? He's talking about the appearance of the dog when he first came to see the dog. Okay. Now, can you hear my sound clearly, or is there some disturbance in the background? Dija?
Ma'am, it's clear. So his eyes are bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. So Mrs. Pumphrey hastens to explain. He was so listless. Mr. Harris, he seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So you could see, the doctor. What's the name of the doctor? What is the name? He's a veterinary surgeon as well. His name is Mr. Harriet. His name is Mr. Harriet. So he comes to see the dog and he can see the appearance of the food. He has become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage, with a leg at each corner. His eyes have become bloodshot and rheumy. Means his eyes have become red, he has become huge, and he is staring straight ahead, and his tongue is lowered from his jaws. So he was in a very pathetic condition. And seeing this, the mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, he hastened to explain that he may be suffering from malnutrition. He's not eating. So I have been giving him some little extras between the meals to build him up. What has she been giving so that he puts on, becomes more active and becomes well? She has been adding some things to his diet. So she has given him some malt cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much, he says. In between meals, apart from the meals. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? The doctor asked. Now, Sihan, Risa, please put on your video. And Sihan, now you can read after this. Oh, I did. आगे आप पढ़ो. Let me see if it is audible. Fine. Otherwise, we'll tell somebody else to read.
Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak I had to relent. He does love cream cakes and chocolate, so I can't bear to refuse him. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's ma- Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Hodgkin, the gardener, had been down with lumbago, so there has been no throwing lately.
So this is the picture of the dog, and this is what she's talking about. Now, Abdul Ahad, could you continue?
I tried to sound ever. Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, please.
I tried to sound severe. Now, I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him.
Sorry. हाँ पढ़ो.
Harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Mr. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriot. I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down along the road, as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on dropping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Miss Pumphrey. The expected
So
call.
what did you understand from what are you reading here? What did you understand? You understood this that the dog was being overfed, and when Mr. Harris saw him, he said, "Mrs. Pumphrey, now I really mean that you should cut down his food habits and give him more exercise." So she says, "Yeah, he's doing a little bit of walking, but the ring throwing is stopped now." So that is what only the dog is doing. He's not moving at all, he's just doing a little walk. Okay. So she is now thinking that ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So he says कि now you should give him more exercise, otherwise he's going to be really really ill, बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार होगा. And you must harden your heart and keep him on a strict diet. इनको इनका ये मानना था कि ज़्यादा उसको
एग्जर्शन होगा तो वो बीमार होगा, कम खाना देंगे तो बीमार होगा, इसलिए वो उल्टा ही करती जा रही थी. She was not making him move, she was not giving him any diet food, या तो ज्यादा ही खिला रही थी. Got it? तो वो क्या बोल के जाते हैं कि आई एम श्योर यू आर राइट, मैम बोलती है मिसेस पम्परे कि यू आर राइट बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इतना डिफिकल्ट है इसको स्टार्ट करना, ऐसे कम खाना देना, बट आई विल ट्राई, ऐसे करके वो बोलती है. आई नाउ ही गोज बैक. अभी वो देखता भी है ना कि उसके पास अलग अलग टाइप के कोट्स है, गर्मी के अलग है, ठंडी के अलग है, वेट डेज के अलग है. किसके पास? डॉगी के पास. डॉगी भी नहीं बोलते उसको, ट्रिकी. Okay, Ricky was tottering along in a little tweed coat, and he had a whole wardrobe of these coats. कबर्ड भर के उसके पास ऐसे कोट्स थे जो वो हर वेदर में अलग अलग बदल के पहनता था. ठीक है. So now he goes back and he is thinking कि अभी थोड़े दिन में ऐसे चलता रहा ना तो ये जरूर बहुत ज्यादा बीमार होने वाला है और पक्का मुझे फिर से कॉल आने ही वाला. He was expecting only the doctor. और वैसा ही हुआ. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Ricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting. Didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. समझे? थोड़े दिन के बाद उनका फोन आया कि अब तो ये कुछ खा ही नहीं रहा है, ये जो भी खाता है वो वॉमिट भी करता है, सारा टाइम अपने रग पे लेटा रहता है और उसका भी नहीं है, वॉक भी नहीं करता अब तो. So I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. The poor lady almost swooned. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it was the best to take him without any delay. समझे? अभी ये सब देखा था ना डॉक्टर ने, तो वो बोला अब मेरा प्लान तो तैयारी था, अगर वो मुझे बुलाती है ना तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम उनको बोलूंगा कि उनको हॉस्पिटलाइज करना पड़ेगा, एडमिट करो. एंड शी विल से नहीं आई कांट सी मी, तो एक दिन भी मुझे नहीं देखा तो वो तो मर जाएगा लाइक दैट. बट वो बोले मुझे तो फिट होना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ये सच में बहुत ज्यादा बीमार हो जाएगा अगर इनके हाथ में छोड़ा तो. So he takes him, so he tells that I'll have to take him. मेरे स्क्रीन में ना थोड़ा सा ये बड़ा बड़ा तुम लोग को क्लियरली दिखता है ना? Okay. So he followed my what was on the previous page, and followed by my Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. दो रो रही है बेचारी, अफसोस कर रही है, पीछे पीछे चल रही है और ये आगे आगे डॉगी को लेके अपनी कार में चला गया. तो पूरा स्टाफ उनके पीछे पीछे भागते आया, अरे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो, कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो. The entire staff was roused and made traction and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, his favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. वो आगे आगे जब लेके गया ना किसी को, तो पूरा स्टाफ उनके पीछे पीछे भागा उसका सामान समेट कर उनको साथ में देने के लिए. क्या क्या चीजें थी उसमें वो सब लिखा है. ठीक है. रियलाइजिंग दैट माय कार विल नॉट कैरी, इनको लगा भी बाबा इतना सारा सामान मेरी कार में तो फिट भी नहीं होगा, so he started his car to move ahead. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey was with a despairing cry threw an armful of the little coat through the window. Window में से उन्होंने फेंकना चालू किया कोट वोट चिल्लाओ करके. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. सब लोग रो रहे थे. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said. You haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. वो बोलता है अब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है तुम बहुत ज्यादा बीमार हो, बट आई नो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, मैं तुम्हें बराबर ठीक कर दूंगा. तो उनका वो प्लान था. कैन यू गेस क्या प्लान होगा डॉक्टर का? व्हाट ही मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, क्या करने वाला है वो? बोलो बोलो, सोचो, पढ़ो मत, बोलो. Just a second. हाँ, तो उसमें आगे क्या होता है? Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted its head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said, too hammer a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. So he was sure. आप लोग सोच नहीं रहे हो क्या होगा? बोलो. What must he be planning? Can you tell? आप होते तो क्या करते? Yes? सोचो. खाना ही नहीं देते शायद उसको थोड़े दिन, है ना? At the surgery, the household dogs surgery is that place where they were keeping the dogs. Okay, वहाँ पे सब it's a veterinary hospital. वहाँ पे they keep the dogs over there. At the surgery, the household dog surged around him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with the dull eyes and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs started sniffling around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. पहले तो वो आने के साथ तो पीछे पीछे आए, गोल गोल घूमे, देखा उसको, आए, कुछ रिएक्शन नहीं है. ही इज क्वाइट, यू नो, ही वाज सो मोशनलेस, इतना बीमार था, कारपेट पे गिर गया वो ऐसे ही, हिल नहीं रहा. तो फिर उन्होंने उसको छोड़ दिया वहाँ पे. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. 2 दिन उसको ऐसे ही बिना खाना पीना दिए वैसे ही रहता, पानी पिला के. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out, and I was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friend. जब वो बाहर निकला तो दूसरे जो डॉग है ना उसका नाम है जो, और दूसरे भी है उसके भी फ्रेंड्स है, वो सब आ गए. एंड वो बाहर निकलने के साथ उसके पास आ गए उसको इंस्पेक्ट करने के लिए, देखने के लिए कौन है नया बंदा, कौन आ गया है. आफ्टर रोलिंग हिम ओवर एंड thoroughly inspecting, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan plopped the food into the bowl. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. तो जब वो ट्रिस्टन नाम का बंदा जो भी था वो खाना बांट रहा था, तो वो उनके पीछे पीछे सब डॉग्स गए, है ना, रेस करने लगे कि जो पहले जाएगा शायद मिलते, नहीं तो दे न्यू अगर वो पीछे रह गए तो एंड में उनको खाना नहीं मिलेगा. So that's how they were going. और उनके पीछे ट्रिकी भी पीछे पीछे चलने लगा, उसके एक्स्ट्रा फैट को खींचता हुआ ऐसे ऐसे स्लाइटली भागता हुआ वो जाने लगा उनके पीछे. दिस इज द पिक्चर. इसमें पता नहीं कौन सा होगा, ट्रिकी नहीं दिख रहा. When they had finished, वो वहीं पे रुका रहा, उसने खाया ही नहीं, इसको मिला ही नहीं. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. उसके लिए बाउल ही नहीं था, क्योंकि उनको लगा कि अब ये पता नहीं क्या करता है. So next day, then they were happy that he is looking for food. So they kept the bowl for him. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed even every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at the mealtimes and hunting rats in the old henhouse at night. He had never had such a time in his life. So all the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background. She used to keep on maybe ना call करती होंगी. And what he was doing over here, उसको कुछ medicines तो दिए नहीं, बस उसको अच्छा different atmosphere मिल गया. Made him play with the other dogs, थोड़ा सा उनके साथ competitive रहा. So at least he was having some action in his life. And Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, bringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletin. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. He was more worried about what he's wearing, where he's sleeping, with his meal. But I just dodged the questions, हाँ हाँ करके, and then But only thing I could tell her that he is now out of danger and he is now improving, recovering very fast. Convalescing rapidly matlab recovering. So the word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Francis. She started to bring out round, fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time to build up Tricky's strength. वो सब कुछ लेकर you know, 2 dozen fresh eggs for a happy period by partners, and I had two eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. समझ रहे हो, उसके लिए सब भेजा जा रहा था, फ्रेश एग, फिर बाद में वाइन भी आना शुरू हो गया. It has to enrich Tricky's blood. A lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to a full final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. अभी ऐसे लग रहा था कि बाबा इसको यही रखना चाहिए, ये supply बंद नहीं होगा फिर. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. वो अभी सोचा अभी बहुत हो गया, इससे ज्यादा इसको यहाँ पे नहीं रखना चाहिए. Let us give him back. So within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. इसका मतलब क्या है? कौन सा metal? It was a car. She came with her car, which was 30 feet long. The chauffeur opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? उसको ऐसे लगा था पता नहीं ये झूठ बोल रहा है कि ठीक हो भी गया कि नहीं हो गया. Yes, he's fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. वो बोले इधर से बाहर मत निकलो, यही बेटर हो, मैं लेके आता हूँ. He must be wondering अंदर आके और कुछ फील करेगी. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs were hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into the little hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in the great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and then Tricky saw his this, he took up off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "ooh" and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried, how can I ever thank you? This is the triumph of surgery. ठीक है. So that was the story of this Tricky. What is the meaning of sausage? Finely minced meat stuffed into long cylindrical pieces and divided into small lengths by twisting or tying. Then resuming a watery discharge from the mucous membrane, especially in the nose or eyes. Then listless, lacking energy and enthusiasm. Lumbago, muscular pain in the lower part of the back, lumbar region. Then regime, prescribed course of exercise and diet. Distraught, extremely worried, surgery, a place where a doctor or dentist or a veterinary surgeon treats patients. Scrimmage, rough or confused struggle. Convalescing, recovering from an illness, less flexible. So that's it. We could finish this chapter so soon. And we have our question and answer. I guess you all have understood what we have read today. It's easy, है ना? Interesting भी था, easy था, है ना? कुछ इसमें है किसी को कोई query तो पूछो. Now what I expect you to do all the question and answers. Please on time. Make your notebook in English fast, है ना? What ये यहाँ पर जो page पे दिख रहे हैं, what kind of a person do you think the narrator or veterinary surgeon is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? Do you think Tricky was happier to go home than? What do you think will happen now? Do you think this is a real episode or some fiction? और इज इट अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बोथ? ये सब कुछ आपको लिखना है. टॉक अबाउट इट. नहीं, ये मत लिखो. डू यू थिंक देर आर ऑल्सो पेरेंट्स लाइक? नहीं. रिच वुमेन फूलिश, ये सब भी मत लिखो. नहीं.
Thinking about language.
कौन सा बेटा? What would you have done if you were a member of the staff? नहीं. What would you have done if you were in the narrator's place? नहीं. ये भी मत लिखो. मेरे पास होंगे या कोई क्वेश्चन से बटरफ्लाई काउंट्स नॉट मच. तुम्हारे बुक में क्वेश्चंस है बीच बीच में? नहीं है ना?
हमने सब लिखे हैं मैम.
ये वाला रीड एंड फाइंड आउट. इज द नरेटर एज रिच एज ट्रिकीज मिस्ट्रेस? ये है पेज नंबर 3 पर. आपके पास है इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर की? हाँ, आपसे सब.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. How does he treat the dog? Why is he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? You all are going to find these answers and write. ये भी find this out. ये वाला है ना, read and find this out. ये कौन सा पेज है बेटा? पेज नंबर दिख रहा है? फर्स्ट ही पेज है जो भी है. टाइटल पेज जो है ना, उधर टाइटल के साथ साथ जो क्वेश्चंस है. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? Who is the I in this story? ठीक है. So what do you plan? तुम लोग अपने बुक में सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ठीक से लिखोगे. I can give you all the question answers as well. If you want, I will give you. But then अभी वो सब कुछ है आपके पास है ना किहान? Yes. आपके पास है
Yes ma'am.
रीजा? आपके टीचर ने दिया आपको?
No ma'am.
आपको मालूम है ना कहाँ से लेना है? नेट से.
हाँ.
उधर बहुत अच्छे से दिए हैं. नहीं, even I would be giving it from there only. It is very nice. I can. I don't have my cell phone just now. Otherwise, I would have given you the
Ma'am,
website.
CBSE guide.
कौन सा?
CBSE guide.
सीबीएसई गाइड भी है और वो सक्सेस है ना, सक्सेस, उसके नोट्स भी अच्छे हैं. सक्सेस, देयर आर नो मिस्टेक्स इन दैट. एंड इफ यू डोंट गेट, डोंट वरी, मैं ढूंढ के आपको लिंक भेजूंगी अगर आपको नहीं है. बट आई डोंट थिंक सो, यू विल नॉट फाइंड. आप सिर्फ सीबीएसई क्लास 10 चैप्टर 1 ये भी डालोगे ना, दिस थिंग ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी, पूरा आ जाएगा. ठीक है. प्लीज कीप इट रेडी. तो ये चैप्टर आपका कंप्लीट होता है. ठीक है. इन द नेक्स्ट वीक विल डू द सेकंड चैप्टर देन. हाँ, कल हम लोग ज्योग्राफी कंटिन्यू करेंगे. और किहान, आपके मतलब आप कुछ लिख रहे थे टेस्ट के बारे में. कौन सी टेस्ट की बात कर रहे हो आप? यूनिट टेस्ट की ना?
हाँ, PT1.
ओके. तो इफ पॉसिबल जितना हो सके आई एम गोइंग टू कवर इन द क्लास, बट यू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर टेस्ट. ठीक है. बिकॉज ये तो स्कूल टेस्ट है, इसको तो हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं सकते. वी हैव टू डू द टेस्ट. अपना जितना स्पीड में मैं कर सकती हूँ वो मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ, कोशिश कर रही हूँ तो मैं खत्म करूँ. बट कैसा है कि ऑनलाइन होने से कभी कनेक्टिविटी रहती है, इसका कुछ भरोसा नहीं. अपन तो ट्राई कर ही रहे. बट स्टिल
हाँ
यू डू
मैम,
योर
मैं कर
वर्क.
रही हूँ.
तुम अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वगैरह स्कूल के हिसाब से करते रहो. जैसे जैसे अपना क्लास हो रहा है मैं आपका वो चैप्टर डिस्कस कर रही हूँ और आपको उसका पूरा ये एक्सप्लेनेशन करूंगी. एंड यू टेल मी ना विच चैप्टर्स आर देयर. ज्योग्राफी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर है ना, रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट.
हाँ.
ओके.
सेकेंड भी है.
हाँ, दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट डन. देन इकोनॉमिक्स का होगा. देखो, ज्योग्राफी के 2 होंगे, इकोनॉमिक्स के 2 होंगे, डीपी का 2 होंगे और हिस्ट्री का 1 होगा आपके एग्जाम में.
6 lessons टोटल. हाँ.
या किसी में से तो 1 होगा, बाकी 2 सब्जेक्ट में 2-2 होंगे. आपको 4 सब्जेक्ट हैं, चारों में से 2 सब्जेक्ट का 1-1 चैप्टर होगा और 2 सब्जेक्ट के 2-2 चैप्टर होंगे. इसलिए आपके 6 चैप्टर होंगे. तो यू लेट मी नो ना किसके 2 हैं किसका 1 है. ठीक है. और इंग्लिश में कौन से चैप्टर्स हैं वो भी बताओ. हो सके तो अपना 13 जुलाई तक हो जाएगा सिलेबस. आई विल टेक साइंस का कौन सा बाकी है, सिर्फ सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी बाकी है ना. तो साइंस की जगह पे फिर हम लोग एसएससी शुरू करेंगे चाहिए तो. समझ रहे?
सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी आपने करवाया था ना?
हो गया ना अपना सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी?
हाँ, साइंस
तो
का
फिर
सब हो गया, बस केमिस्ट्री का सर करवा रहे हैं अभी।
वो तो शेयर करा देंगे, बट देन इन द मीन टाइम ना, एक मिनट, हाँ, एक स्टैंडर्ड की स्टूडेंट आ गई इधर इसमें। ओके, तो हम लोग ऐसे ही करेंगे कि साइंस की क्लास मंडे से है ना, तो हम लोग यही कंटिन्यू करेंगे एसएससी, तो 3 दिन और हमें एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगे, ठीक है? और मुझे ये भी भेजना आपको इंग्लिश में कौन से चैप्टर्स है और ग्रामर में क्या क्या है, ठीक है? एंड आई विल
मैंने
गिव
आपको
यू।
भेजा था।
ओके, ठीक है, मैं चेक करती हूँ। अच्छा, होमवर्क के लिए ये सब क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने हैं इंग्लिश के, और इंग्लिश में एक लेटर लिखना है आपको। 1 letter you have to write. Please note it down. You have to write a letter. तो उसके बारे में मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेजती हूँ। हाँ, ठीक है, डिटेल क्या क्या लिखना है अभी। आई थिंक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू, I can search in the mail. If I search and I find it fast, I'll send it. Otherwise, I'll share it with you on WhatsApp. I have it. तो मुझे ना ये शेयर ही करना पड़ेगा। इसमें एक लेटर है, दिख रहा है आपको? ये सब मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे करके भेज दूंगी। ये ऊपर दिख रहा है ना, इसमें 25 मार्क्स का ये पूरा चैप्टर पूरा है। ये इट्स अ स्मॉल टेस्ट विच इज फॉर यू। यू हैव टू राइट दिस टेस्ट एंड सबमिट दिस, ओके, रिटन कॉपी। मैं कब सेंड करना है क्या वो मैं बता दूंगी, आप बस ये लिख लेना, दिस इज अ लेटर। और इसके बाद ये वाला सेकेंड ऑप्शन है, यू हैव टू राइट एन आर्टिकल, ठीक है? या तो राइट अ लेटर और राइट एन आर्टिकल। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, you have to write this story based on the input given over here. और थर्ड है complete this paragraph, और फोर्थ है ये वाला, और फिफ्थ है rearrange। तो ये पूरा टेस्ट आपको करना है। दिस यू कैन डू इट बाय द वीकेंड। इफ या आई थिंक दैट वुड बी इनफ, राइट? फ्राइडे तो कल है, तो वीकेंड में बहुत सारा टाइम है आपको, आप ये खत्म कर दो। एंड आई मे आस्क यू टू सबमिट इट ऑन संडे और मंडे, ओके? पेपर पर ही लिख के रखना, या तो आपको फोटो देने के लिए बोलूंगी या हार्ड कॉपी सबमिट करने के लिए बोलूंगी, ओके? तो ये मैं अभी व्हाट्सएप पे भेजूंगी, इधर से तो आपको लिखना मुश्किल है ये सब कॉपी करना, है ना?